Nagkakakilala kami ni Jelly nung third year high school. So, actually, hindi ko naman talaga siya crush. Pinagtuksuhan lang kami ng mga friends niya.
And then started actually sa tuksuhan. So, totoo pala na dahil sa tuksuhan may nade-develop.
Never lose the wonder written in your soul.
Nung bago mag-graduation, parang na-realize ko na napafall na ako. Kasi laging tinutukso kami ng mga friends niya. Hanggang na-develop ako tapos nag-start na ako mag-message sa kanya lagi. Tapos hanggang sa parang pag hindi ko na siya ka-chat, parang may namimiss ako.
Wala naman masyadong ligawan. Sinagot ko siya actually through text lang. Parang, parang wala lang. Titignan ko lang kung magkiklik ba. And then, only to found out na until now, nakiklik pa rin naman.
Sobrang caring niya and sobrang protective niya sa akin.
Mabait siya. And then, super humble na tao. Hindi mo siya makakikitaan ng kayabangan sa katawan.
You got a song worth singing and a fire to lead you on.
Actually, si Jelly talaga ang pinaka-important sa buhay ko. Like, cannot name anything that is more important than her.
Bren, thank you so much for loving me unconditionally. Actually, hindi lang ako yung minahal mo, hindi yung buong pamilya ko. Kasi hindi ko kumbaga, words cannot explain kung paano ko, kung gaano ko ka-happy na ikaw yung mapapangasa.
And it's hard to read the signs and you're surveying the damage done. You gotta run, 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 run. Mama looking in your
Actually, ikaw ay naparito ng malaya at kusang loob upang ibigay ang iyong sarili sa habang buhay na pagmamahal at paglilingkod sa iyong magiging asawa? Bren, ikaw ba ay naparito ng malaya at kusang loob upang bigay ang iyong sarili sa habang buhay na pagmamahal at paglilingkod sa iyong magiging asawa?
The first time na nandiligaw ka pa lang, pinag-pray ko actually kay Lord na sana kung sino man yung magiging first boyfriend ko, siya na din yung magiging yung mapapangasawa ko. And I thank God kasi talagang binigay sa akin ni Lord na ikaw yung gift niya sa akin. I know I'm not perfect, but He gave me so much more than what I deserve.
Si Jelly ang first girlfriend ko and soon to be wife.
Muli, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pagmamahal at katapatan. Bren, isuot mo ang singsing na ito bilang tanda ng aking pagmamahal at katapatan.
For me, the two of you has been always, cats and dogs, always. Because nandun ako when the fight happened, when your love story happens, I hear all of it. And the friends can stand as proof that it's not always perfect. Their love is not always perfect. But each problems that they have, they try to have the solutions always. They try to talk it through, they try to communicate, which is always important.
Parang, for me kasi yung wedding na to is just a formality. Lumaki ako na akala ko, hindi sila. Nagulat ako, ay sila pala second year, parang gano'n, second year high school pala. Hala, 20 years na yata sila. Parang, so kasal na lang talaga yung kulang.
Follow me, dear, through until the morning. I'm not alone like I thought I was before. See
Hindi
you
kailangan ipagsabihin ng bawat isa sa inyo ang sira o siraan ang bawat isa sa ibang tao, kahit kanino. Kasi yung respeto at dignidad ninyo ng bawat isa ay dapat nandun.
Will I take her with me? Oh, will I begin again? I lost track.
I'm happy na finally na you already decided to settle down. And I really hope na
know anywhere I'm home. Will I take her with me? Will I begin again?
Asawa ng Israel as a first kiss as husband and wife.
Will I take her with me? Oh, will I begin